Typing routerlogin.net and getting a refuse to connect error is frustrating, especially when your internet seems fine. This usually means you cannot access your Netgear router settings. First, ensure you are connected directly to the Netgear's main Wi-Fi network, not a guest network or mobile data. The login page only exists on the router's local network. If the web address fails due to DNS issues, bypass it by typing the router's IP address directly. Try 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. If common IPs don't work, find your specific gateway address. On Windows, open Command Prompt and type ipconfig to locate the default gateway IP. Modern browsers often force secure HTTPS. If your router uses older HTTP, your browser might be blocking the connection. Try forcing HTTP in your browser's address bar. Your browser's cache might be recalling a broken version of the page. Open an incognito or private window and try the IP address again. If you are running a VPN, disable it. A VPN tunnels your traffic externally, making your local router invisible to your browser. If the error persists, the router's internal web server may have crashed. Perform a factory reset by holding the reset button for 30 seconds with a paperclip. Once the router reboots, use the default admin credentials to log in successfully. You have resolved the connection refused error. Like and subscribe for more easy fixes.